Hello everybody, it's KidsFilmingClub. I'm Micah, and today I am going to be doing, I guess, a tutorial sort of thing for the first time, I guess, for the stick chickens, and I'm going to be attempting, kind of just showing and going through how I'm going to wire these stick chickens, and basically, here's how it goes. Basically, these stick chickens are awesome figures, but they are one of the hardest Stikbot pets to animate with. Mainly because they have one suction cup, and if that falls over, he's dead, and yeah, that kind of can mess up your thing. We can't really do anything about that. He does have some issues with the little wings. Sometimes they won't always stay up. You gotta kind of lock them in some specific positions. And if I just want him to do this, it's kind of a little hard, but basically I'm going to be putting a little wire inside, like right here, so that it enables it to pose a little better and be more strong. Mainly for the purpose of animating. If you want to have keep your stick chicken good for playing and such, I don't think you should do this, but if you need help getting your stick chickens to work when animating, this is probably the video for you. So basically, there's a wire inside this chicken, and you can kind of see it, and it allows him to make some poses that are a little difficult for a regular stick chicken without the wire inside in it. So it can go like this. You can do some really advanced poses, and you can keep his wings in one place for animating. But then when you gotta take another picture, you move it a little bit, move it, move it. So yeah, that is the wiring. So let's go ahead and do that with this chicken. So here's everything we'll need. We need the wire, of course, and we also need some scissors or pliers. These are just, scissors are kind of hard to use. You need some really good ones like this one here to actually be able to cut wires. And if not, then just get some pliers, because those are better. Those are meant for cutting wires. And then you need your stick chicken, obviously. And this works for Stikbots as well. You could do this to help Stikbots, but I'm doing it with chickens since they have some difficult time animating. So first, I'm just gonna get some wire right here. I'm just gonna kind of estimate the length of the chicken and the wire we'll need. So let's say about here. Let's just cut right there. There we go. Our wire flew off in the distance. So now we've got a little wire. You want to try to keep it as straight as possible. That'll help. And now let's go get our stick chicken. Let's kind of try to, basically, you just kind of get the wire, and you just kind of look for a hole to put the string through. You just try to get the wire in there like that. And then you want to try to get it to poke out on the other side. So let's see if I can get it. I think I see it right. Oh, nope. This part is a little difficult, so you might need some help. Let's make sure I'm getting this right. There. Alright, so let's try again. Put the wire in here. This goes through, and now we got, there we go. Okay, so I got it on both ends here. The wire's on both ends. So now we just kind of gotta tuck it through and make it go into the wing. So this one does not want to stand properly. There we go. Okay, so we just get the little wire, and now we're gonna poke it through as best as possible. It sometimes helps for the wing to be up. And now the head likes to get in the way. Let's see. You should just be able to dig it through. I think I got it right there. There we go. Alright, so that's one wing. That's now on the wire. And now for the other one, this one's a little difficult. I haven't entirely found a good way to do this properly, but I sort of just bend the wire and stretch the string until it gets in. Mostly bending the wire, so I'm just gonna bend it a little bit. Hope I don't mess anything major too much up. Just gonna try to get it in. There we go. I think I got it. Does that work? I think so. Oop, I think I got it. There we go. So it is a little difficult. Let's just try to straighten out this as much as possible. I can't entirely get this perfectly, but I'm sure there's a better technique. I'm no professional here, as you can see. And yeah, there you go. I think I just wired a Stikbot's arms, wings, and I wired the chicken. So now it can move its hands and keep its hands out like this when regular stick chickens can't. You can do more poses. You can make it fly very elegantly. That'll come in handy for stop motions. And I tried to do the wiring trick on the leg here, but there is an issue when doing it there, is that I believe there's like a little metal which kind of blocks, it keeps the string from falling out of the leg, but it also, the metal doesn't allow the wire to go in there, so I don't believe the leg is possible to do unless you glue it or drill it or something like that. I don't know, maybe you guys can do it, I'm not sure, but I tried and it doesn't work. But the leg could use some help with wiring, because the chicken leg has a very unique mold, and it can go like this, and it's supposed to go like this, I believe. It can do that, but some chickens have more trouble doing that. Like this one doesn't even want to bend down all the way unless you put pressure on it. So yeah, that is Stikbot wired chicken. There you go. So there you go, those are your wired Stikbot chickens. They should be a little better at animating now, and if not, I don't really know, but that should be good. I'm gonna try these out in my new video that hopefully will be coming soon. But that's Stikbot wiring chicken. I hope you liked my tutorial. This is the first time I've done one, so maybe if you want more tutorials, you can leave a like and comment down below on some requests maybe. I don't know if I'll be doing any more tutorials maybe in the future. I don't know entirely, but I was just doing this for fun. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!